Today we are cooking a upside down German chocolate cake. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Watch a couple of videos. I do more than just cook, even though I must admit I'm a good cook. So anyways, to start this cake off, we're going to take some butter. And we're going to use this glass. You guys, let me give you a rundown about my channel first of which. Now, I brag about being a chef. I'm not no chef. I'm more like, let's cook good food for fun chef. So, bear with me, okay? This is a glass thingamajigger. It says 3 quarts. You can cook it in other stuff, but this is what I got. So I'm going to take this and take the butter. I'm going to do it like this. Just going to coat the bottom. Alright, you guys, and to this, I'm not a big fan of coconut, but for some reason with this cake, the coconut tastes so good. You're going to take some coconut, and we're just going to sprinkle it on the bottom. Sometimes you got to get in there and make sure you get right. Not too much. I mean, you can use however much you like. Me personally, I don't like coconut. My family don't really care for coconut either, so we're going to do enough for it to have that taste. Look like that's enough? That looks good to me. Alright. Make sure to spread all around. Yeah. Ooh. You're not cooking if you're not making a mess. Alright. Then we're going to take some pecans. I probably should have cut these up, broke these up. I caught myself doing that. I'm going to put some more coconut in there. You want to take the pecans and just spread it out. Just like the coconut. Use as much as you like, but use enough for taste. Let's see how this looks. Alright, we're going to set that to the side. And in this bowl, we're going to, I'm just using a store-bought German chocolate cake. It requires 3 eggs, I think, yeah, 1 1/4 cups of water, ½ cup of vegetable oil. So, in this mixing bowl, I'm going to mix all that together. I don't have a beater, so that good old wrist is just going to have to work today. Whew! I'm tired. For Christmas, if any of my family and friends are watching this, you might want to add a beater to my list, alright? Alright. Now, that looks pretty good to me. I don't feel any bumps and lumps. We're going to set that to the side for a second so we can make us some icing. I got another mixing bowl. We're going to take some cream cheese. This is 8 ounces. And we are going to use the whole 8 ounces. Sorry I sound a little stuffy. I'm trying to project and pronunciate because I'm going under the weather. But I've been saying I'm going to make this cake for a week now, so. Alright, and to this cream cheese, we got some confectioner's sugar. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to use the whole pack. To be on the safe side, I haven't done this in a while, but I'm pretty sure. You know what? I'm confident. We're going to put the whole pack in there. Because I'm so confident in myself. I'm not going to go watch another video on YouTube. We're going to dump it. And I think this is 16 ounces. I'm gonna double check for y'all, but it's the whole box. So whatever's in the box, that's what you're gonna use. All right. And to that, I got a stick of butter. It's supposed to be room temperature, but you know what? It's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm not gonna melt it. I'm gonna make it room temperature. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like a half a second. I'll be right back. All right, I done made this butter room temperature. It's just like slightly a little melted, but it's still whole. We're gonna drop that in there like that. And like I said, y'all, I ain't got no beater, so I'm the beater. Oh, Jesus. I need a beater. I'm over here fixing gourmet food for y'all. And ain't nobody said, Adrian, we'll get you a beater for Christmas or nothing. Lord of mercy.
Adrian, I get you a beater for Christmas.
Somebody heard my prayers. I'm going to have one swole arm over here. It's because my butter wasn't room temperature for one. I should have set my butter and my cream cheese out. But once again, it's almost 4 o'clock and I try to get good content out before a certain time. It's too much. But we getting somewhere. Y'all see that? Now we getting somewhere. You just gotta bear with me, okay? Bear with me. This is a real cooking problem. I'm not gonna sit here and pause, make it pretty and come back. I want you to know what it looked like so you can know how to fix it, okay? What you do is you get your little milk to thin it out. Right? Alright. Okay, now we getting somewhere. When you can whip it like that, you getting somewhere. Alright. Now I'm gonna try with this whisk one more time. This whisk getting weak. Wash your hands. Hey, assistant. Yeah.
We did that.
Come on. Come on around here. Let me show them how you really whip it. Get the rest of this stuff out of here. No child left behind. When you're poor as I am, you don't leave nothing. Y'all see that? That look like icing to you, my love?
Mm-hmm.
Smells good. Tastes good. So let me slide that out the way and we go back to my cake. Got my little handy dandy. Alright, I'm giving this another quick whisk. Alright, now I'm going to take this and pour this over this. So you guys, now that we got that in there like that, we're going to take this and make sure it's spread all around. Looks pretty good. Yeah. We're going to take this icing and give it another whisk. And see, the more it sits, the better it gets. It was just my temperature for my butter and my cream cheese. If you do it right and let it sit out, you won't have the same problem. Whew. Every drop, every dime. You want to taste the ice? It's pretty good, huh?
Tasty.
Okay.
You did that.
You gonna take this? We're gonna take some scoops of ice, alright? And drop it. Now you always save a little icing in there for you to taste, if you know what I mean. Alright. The cake gonna break through it anyway. But for my assistant's sake, we're gonna take it and give it a couple of swirls. I said squirrel.
Because I said squirrel. That's pretty.
Alright, you guys, so now you're gonna take this and then preheat the oven on 350. Woo, that's preheated. We're gonna put this in here for about, I'ma say, now it could be wrong, I'ma say about 40 to 45 minutes. If the time changes, I'ma tell you when I come back. We're gonna start out at 40 minutes. And I'm gonna take a toothpick, you know, check it, yada, yada, yada. We'll be back. Alright, you guys, this is our finished product. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna let it cool before I cut it. So I'll be back with a piece in about 10 minutes, but for you, I guess a second. Yeah, I'm back. You seen the finished product. I'm gonna let it cool, but it's not cool. But due to the fact I got 3 other videos to make, I'm gonna go on and cut it. So, need a nice size piece, right? I'll get this a big old piece. This is a like a gooey like cake. I'm gonna get it from this angle because I want to get it all like with one little scoop. I flip it over. Well, it ain't supposed to be flipped over, but I wanted y'all to see it was done. So I'm gonna flip it back over. And then I'm gonna let y'all see the inside. So I got layers, the bottom, you know. And that's it. We're gonna do a little taste test. Assistant, you want to taste? I'm gonna let my assistant.
Big old piece.
I'm gonna let my assistant taste it.
It's moist.
I know it's moist.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to get another piece. You have to cut it yourself.
Yeah.
Let me taste it for y'all, cause I'll tell the truth if it ain't good or not. You see how it's got that icing through there? It's hot, but y'all, it's good. Once it cools off, it's gonna be even better. Now for more videos like this one, hit me up. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell. Leave some comments down below on what you want to see next. Look at that right there. You see that icing? Cut the camera. Just cut it off.